Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to create eye-catching thumbnails, professional social media posts, or unique graphic designs, image masking is a must-learn skill. In this video, I'll show you how to mask images in Canva step by step using a simple but powerful method. Whether you're a beginner or leveling up your design skills, this guide is all you need. So stick around till the end. Let's get started. First, open Canva and create a new design. You can choose any size you like, a YouTube thumbnail, Instagram post, or even a presentation slide. The image masking method works the same across all formats. Now look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Elements. Inside the search bar, type Abstract Frame. Frames are the secret to masking images in Canva. They let you insert your photos into creative shapes without needing Photoshop or advanced tools. Once you type Abstract Frame, click See All to open the full gallery. Canva gives you a huge variety of frames, from simple circles and squares to unique splashes, waves, and geometric masks. These are perfect for thumbnails, collages, and modern graphic layouts. Pick any frame you like and drag it onto your canvas. You can resize or rotate it to match your layout. Now, it's time to add your photo. Go to the Uploads tab on the left sidebar and upload your image. You can upload from your computer, phone, or even import directly from Google Drive. Once your image finishes uploading, drag and drop it directly onto the frame. Canva will automatically snap the photo inside the shape. Boom! Just like that, your image is masked. But don't stop there. Here's the pro tip most people miss. Double-click the masked image. This lets you reposition the photo inside the frame. You can drag it to center the subject, zoom in for a close-up, or adjust the composition for a clean, professional look. This step is key to making your design stand out. You can also add effects like drop shadows, outlines, or filters from the edit photo options to match your design theme. And that's it. You just learned how to mask images in Canva in a clean and professional way. Super easy, right? If this tutorial helped, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more Canva hacks like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.